Hey Olivia, who are we going to draw today?
Rhubarb.
Yeah, Rhubarb. And who is Rhubarb?
A baby T-Rex.
Yeah, from the movie Paw Patrol's the Dino Movie. I love this lesson so much, and I hope you're really excited to follow along with us. We loved this movie. We went and saw it together,
Yes.
and Rhubarb is definitely one of our favorites. Although I should ask you, you had another one that was kind of your favorite.
The little yellow ones.
The little yellow ones. There's a bunch of them.
Yes.
Yeah.
They're so cute.
They're so cute. But I'm so excited to draw Rhubarb. We're using our markers to draw and color with, but you can always use whatever you have. All right, you ready to start?
Yes.
Hey parents and teachers, if your kids are enjoying art with us, you'll really love our Art for Kids Hub membership. Watch our lessons ad-free and even download lessons for offline fun. It works on all of your devices, iPhone, Android, Mac, PC, Roku, and even Apple TV. Start your free trial today at artforkidshub.tv. Let's start by drawing Rhubarb's head towards the top of our paper so that we have room for his body and also his tail over here on the left. So we're going to start on the right side of our paper and we're going to draw a gumdrop shape for his head. We're going to draw it about here. I'm going to draw it coming up, over, and down. Yeah, that's a good spot. Up, over. Yes, good job. That's awesome. Okay, now we're going to repeat that same shape, but we're going to draw it a little higher and to the right and smaller. So we're going to draw it, well, I don't know about higher. It's actually lower. It's inside the head. This is his eye. We're going to draw his big green eye. This is the top of his eye. Yes. And then right here, we're going to draw a little curve underneath to connect. I love how big your eye is. And then right here, we're going to draw a circle touching the bottom and leave a little space on the left. Yes. And then we can draw a highlight inside, top left, and then color in the big circle, but leave that little circle white. And then when we're coloring, we're going to color the green around his eye. Okay, now let's draw his mouth. We're going to come down a bit further on the left side, and then we're going to curve in and get really close to this side. Really close. We're going to come almost and touch. Yes. Okay. And then, let's also draw his eyebrows. He has cool eyebrows. We're going to draw one here. And then we're going to draw his other eye sticking out and then come back in. He's kind of looking like a lizard. I like it.
He's a lizard.
This is just his eyebrow, although it kind of looks like his eyeball sticking out. Now we're going to draw his nostril, and right underneath his eyebrow, right here, so kind of follow that down, and then we're going to draw another one on the other side. Yes, okay, now let's give him teeth. One, and then leave a little space, and then we're going to draw another one. And then leave a little more space and draw another one.
He only has 3 teeth.
Yeah, he has more, but they're hidden. Okay, next we're going to draw the bottom of his mouth, just curving right underneath. And we're going to come over to the side. And right here, we're going to draw a little cheek and curve in. So we go out a little past and then curve in. Yes. Oh, look how cool he looks. He's looking awesome. I'm going to draw a little cheek line right here at the end. Now we could also draw, he has little horns sticking out or things, spikes sticking out of his eyebrows. So I'm going to draw 3 spikes sticking out of each eyebrow. Now we're ready to draw his body. We're going to start with his neck and we're going to draw the letter J. Well, kind of a small letter J. So right in the middle of his head, we're going to draw it curving down to the left. And then we're going to draw his first little arm. We'll draw a short line that connects. Then we're going to draw coming to the right. And then we're going to curve down for his 2 little claws.
Fingers.
Fingers, yeah. And right here at the end it curves. We're going to draw his other finger right here. And then we're going to curve around, up, and back into his body. I made it kind of tricky. You did it. Good job. Okay, now let's draw his, right here under his armpit. We're going to extend this down a bit further. Now we're gonna draw his knee. I know this is kind of funny, but it'll make sense once we add all the parts. Then look at this, one letter J and then another letter J.
A bigger little.
This is for his back leg that's really strong. Okay, and now we're gonna come back up and work on his neck a bit more. So we're gonna start really close and we're gonna come out. See how it's curving the same direction as all the other ones? And then watch this, we're gonna draw the rest of his body and we're gonna connect. I'm gonna stop there. So get really close. Yeah, that's a good spot. Good job, that's perfect. Good job. Okay, now we can draw his tail. And we're gonna draw it coming out, curving out, and up and a high. And then we're gonna start here at the point, and we're gonna come back into his body. Yes, he's looking awesome. Okay, next let's draw the rest of his neck and also into his belly. So we're gonna draw a short line down. Right here next to his neck. I know there's so many lines that get confused. And then right here, we're gonna just come out a bit for his belly, around, and then into his leg. Well, we kind of gave him a big belly. Nice. Okay, and then let's draw his other arm sticking out. So a short diagonal line, and then a short diagonal line up, kind of a letter V. And then we'll curve back down for his claw. And we're gonna do the same thing. Another claw. And then we'll draw a point on his claw and into his body. Ah, he's looking so cool. And I love that our two drawings don't look exactly the same. They're both turning out awesome. And it's okay if our friends' drawings look different because the most important thing is
to have fun and practice.
Yes, and I'm sure their drawings are looking really cool too. Okay, next, let's draw his first foot. His big foot right here. He's not a big foot. He's a T-Rex, but you know what I mean. And we're gonna draw a diagonal line coming out of his knee. And then up here, we're gonna draw his heel. And then we're gonna draw it almost coming straight down. So it gets really wide. We're gonna give him big feet. Okay, and then right here, we're gonna draw a curve to the left. And also we're gonna draw a curve to the right. Yes, okay, next we're gonna draw in the middle, we're gonna draw another little curve. Kind of looks like a smiley face. And then there's his first big claw on his toenail. And then on the left, we're gonna draw curving in. And on the right, we're gonna draw the same thing, curving in. And then we can add a curve for his toenails. Yeah, there's his first big foot. Now we're gonna draw his other big foot over here. We're gonna draw a little knee sticking out.
He has two big foots.
Yeah, two big feet. I liked it when they were teaching him how to roar. They said, spread your legs. And he spread his legs. And then they said, what was after that?
Hold your breath.
Hold your breath. And then his cheeks got really big. Okay, we're going to do the same steps over here, except we're going to start there, draw a diagonal line coming down. And we want to stop in about the same spot. And then over here on this side, we're going to draw coming forward. Okay, now for his toenails on this foot. This foot is tipped going forward, so it's gonna look a little different. Come down just a little further and then go forward. Yeah, there you go. And then let's draw right here. We're gonna draw curving up for his toenail. And then right here, we're gonna draw curving forward and then back into the other toe. And then let's give him the claws. 2 curves. Oh, and this one only has 2. Let's draw one more toenail sticking out. So he has 3. Oh, and we're missing little spikes on his tail.
Yeah.
Let's draw a row of spikes coming down his tail into his body. So we can just space these out. You don't have to draw them exactly like mine. And I'm gonna draw them coming up onto his back. And we did it! We finished drawing Rhubarb. He looks really cool, except we still need to
color.
Yes, this part will fast forward. What color is he?
He's red.
Yeah, just like Marshall.
Marshall's not red, he's white.
Oh yeah, he's a Dalmatian, but what does he wear?
He's wears red.
Yeah, because he's a firefighter.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, you ready to color?
Yes.
Olivia, we did it! We finished coloring Rhubarb and he looks so much better all colored in, especially with all of the red. I even added little spots and we added kind of a tan body and also underneath his mouth. Especially love the grass. But I was gonna ask you, what's your favorite part with Rhubarb in the movie?
The roar.
His roar?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's gotta work on it. It's too cute. It's not very scary. And what else could our art friends add to their drawing?
A background.
Yeah, you could really finish your background. You could even draw the pups. You could draw Rex. And you could draw Marshall because they're friends.
Yes. We hope you had a lot of fun drawing Rhubarb with us.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun and we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.